Okuku Calabash kunye ni budike. Okuku Calabash kunye ni budike. Okuku Calabash kunye ni budike. Iwe jamara dike ru. Okuku Calabash energies. Okuku Calabash king. King of kings. King to kings. Okuku Calabash king. And leader. Like energy. Highest energy. Physical and spiritual. Okuku Calabash king. King to kings. And leader. I use male cow, female cow, hens. You can get mother goat, roosters, rams, 33, 22, 22, 33, 22, 33 colonauts to awaken and stand you up on all land, ocean, airspace, sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit. Stand up in Nigeria, in Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent. Transfer to all mad, all human worldwide. And to all good women, mad. Transfer to USA, NATO, Israel, Canada. Catholicism, Peter Street, St. Peter's Basilica. Transfer to Francis. Transfer to all churches, Hinduism, Buddhism, all religion, all crafts. Transfer to Freemasonry, Rosicrucians, Amok. Transfer to Ekanka, Ekis. Transfer to Oboni. Transfer to all lodges, all crafts. Transfer to them. Move us forward and help humanity. Continue moving humanity world forward. All negativities, all negative, evil ones are enemies of the world. Destroy them and have no mercy upon them. We use water, buy eggs, drinks, beer, wine, fruit, buy egg, cola nuts, all that goes into the body that are good, cigarette, weed, to welcome all your powers, authorities, manifestation, and moving forward. And Agaling can stand firm in our body foundation, science and technology. Okuku Calabash, king to kings and leader, skyrocket and move us forward. Somebody be, he say, Sanko friend, Chiefpriest, Peter, Nkwuaku, Chiefpriest world, Chiefpriest USA, USA.